Hello and welcome back to Foodwiz. So I'm Emmanuel. I will be showing you how I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies, okay? So in this video, you will need powder, baking powder. You will need eggs. So in this case, I'm going to use 3 eggs, okay? Butter, okay? So you will need chocolates, okay? But in this case, I'm going to use dark chocolate chips. That's because I've got nothing to use. Spoons, okay? Maybe a timer. So in this case, I'm going to use my watch, okay? Pan. Of course, don't forget sugar. Flour, baking flour. So starting with so in summary, you will need eggs, baking flour, baking powder, butter, chocolates, okay? In this case, I'm using dark chocolate chips. You will need sugar. So first of all, I'm going to put the butter in the cup just to measure. So I'm going to measure half of this cup, okay? It's a small cup. I'm going to measure half of it of butter. Then I put in the pan. Then I heat it for until it melts, okay? So in this case, you're going to need the tablespoon, okay? The tablespoon. That's one. So you fill this half of it. That's what I'm going to do. So when you're done making that half, okay, you put in the saucepan. So next is sugar. We add sugar. So I'm making half of this. As you can see. Next we add eggs, okay? Next we add eggs. So next we're going to add baking powder, as you can see. If I open that, so I will add 1.5 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. That's 1.5. That's half. Okay. So now our solution is done. Okay. So I've made butter, a melted butter, added sugar, added baking powder, and then added eggs. So next I'm going to mix. So next we should be adding vanilla extract. So in case you've not got vanilla extract, you can use any flavor. Just so in this case I'm using orange flavor, just to try out. So in today's video we're experimenting, that's why I'm using orange. Okay, let's go. So next I'm adding that orange. Well, I'm going to add 2 of those. That's 1. That's 2. After then you mix. So when you're done mixing, we're going to add flour. Okay, I'm going to add 2 full cups of flour. And that's 1. And this is the second one. So as you can see right now, our recipe is ready. So I'm going to add dark chocolate chips. As you can see, dark chocolate chips. That's because I've not got chocolates, so no chocolates around. So I'm going to use dark chocolate chips. So I'll use this to open it. So I'm just going to do like that. Add more. Let's mix. So as you can see right now that our recipe is ready. Okay, so I'm going to do next is I'm going to heat the oven for about 5 minutes to warm up. So as our oven is heating up, I'm going to make the cookies. Okay, so next I will be putting the cookies in the fridge. So as you've seen, I've placed the cookies in the fridge. So I've got my watch here. I'm going to wait out for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, get them out of the fridge, place them in the oven. Then we set the temperature to about 170 degrees Celsius, of course. From there, we're going to heat them for about 35 minutes, okay? But if you get them out of the oven and you test them, you feel like they're not yet ready, you just put them back, add more minutes, and wait out. The wait is over. Let's go and get them out. So as you can see right now, our cookies are ready. We're going to place them in the oven for about 35 minutes. Set the temperature at 170 degrees Celsius. Let's go. So it's been 20 minutes past, so let's wait for 15 minutes more and we see what comes out. I'm excited. Alright, if you're still watching the video, thank you. The cookies are done, they're looking great. Yeah, so I'm going to call someone to give us a review, okay? So I'm going to go call him, we see what he thinks about these cookies, okay? So if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, comment, share to your friends. Don't miss out on the next video, okay? Let's go. So our review man is here. So okay, he's going to try out one piece and we see. Hey, okay. Okay, my road, I wonder.